Hellcat.
Hey guys, Power Shot Airsoft back with another video. Today I will be teaching you how to make your distance and power go farther with your spring pistol airsoft gun. This gun right here, the UK Arms P238. This is the cheapest gun on Amazon, at least pistol wise. So what I'm trying to teach you is on the spring pistols, one side there will be no screws. The other side there will be screws. So the screw that you want to take off, I already took it off on mine, is this one up here on the actual slide. And then what you want to do is just lift this side up, take it off. You don't need the spring and this. You just need to worry about this part right here. So you want to take this off. This is the part this is the spring that will make the power go farther. So you want to take this off. You can take this apart, set this aside, and what you want to do is you want to stretch this spring, and maybe like an inch, a half an inch to an inch long, longer than it actually is. Don't stretch it too long or else it will break the gun and it won't work. So this will add about 1 to 3 feet of distance farther than it would before. Okay, then putting it back together, you just slide that in there. Slide that right there. Slide it right in. There you go. Now with this cheap pistol, sometimes if you stretch a spring too much, it'll do that. But my spring isn't stretched enough, so these cheap pistols will end up looking like they're higher than they should be. This part right here. So then put this back on. Put it right there. Just like that. And then get this screw right here. Put it on here. And screw it in. So that's screwed in. And make it a little tighter. And there you go. Shoots 1 to 3 feet farther. So I hope you like this video. Have a good time. See you in the next video.
I gave you my heart.